Hey, it's your boy Star Kid, and today I'm in the kitchen and I will looking after some roast fish and crackers. So I will get back to you. I will make the season. I'm gonna make the season and show you how to do it.
Yeah. Yo, go down like Mario, boy.
People, you see that little boy? He is showing off his Corona new dance. That little boy is bad. He can dance. So right now we will get back to our cooking, our roast fish and crackers. So here's the season. The onion, the pepper, the garlic, the scallion, the okra, the sweet pepper, and the pumpkin. And over here we have the pumpkin noodle, the cock noodle, the jerk season, and the all-purpose. We have the butter, we have the crackers, and we have also have the fish spice, and the coconut oil, virgin coconut oil. This is the best coconut oil to buy, to use with it. So as you can see it, this is the onion, and I'm cutting it up. Yeah, the onion. Pepper, you can just take it off. The garlic, you don't have to cut up the garlic. And the okra, you only have to just cut it up over it. And these two, you cut it up when the seasoning is finished. You cut it up. So you cut up two inside of it, and then when the seasoning is finished, you cut up the next two. You have the sweet pepper. You have the pumpkin. So here's the pumpkin. It's kind of a little bit tough, so you have to cut it that you can beat out. So people, as you can see it, yeah, this is how it look when it cut up. And right now, you gotta use a camphor bottle full with water, and to get it to moisture, you have to beat it like this. So people, you see how it look now? Yeah, I've already moisture look. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to look. And you start pouring your seasoning inside of it. then I'm going to pound it again, and then I show you how it look and how it's supposed to. Yeah, and this is the turn up of it. Yeah, you beat it like this, you get everything like everything merged to be a one whole thing. Got it. This season, the place you can get this is in Montreal. This is the butter. So the season is finally finished. The okra with the leaf back, you can see it here. Yeah, cut it up that you can get to eat some okra. Yeah, this is the season. This is the pumpkin. Also, we have the fish here. I'm going to cut up this fish into 3 slices. Into 3 and to wrap it. So the season is finished and the fish core up and cut into 2 slices. I was thinking about cutting it into 3, but no, I'm just cutting into 2 slices. You have your file there, and we will get to it now and start. The stove is on already. Yeah. So the stove is on already. See there? Yeah. So we get back to the fish now, file it up, and make it go into the oven with the crackers. I'm going to show a little bit of it still. See how you do it. And you take the fish and put it right on it. Yeah, and this is the head part of the fish, as you can see it. So the fish them done file and almost ready to go inside of the oven. Stay there. This is the first one. That is the second one. Oh, give it some more time. Just gone. Roast. take time to swell up. Yeah. Very hot. Cracker stick on the foil. Put the crackers on the foil. So everything is finished right here. Wow. Water, natural juice, pine, mango, and you have the pine fruit here. You have some crackers, and you have a nice view. I'm at Star Sun Villa in Portland at the lagoon in Sansan. So people, welcome to the roastfish. This is the pumpkin. Okay people, thanks for watching my video, and like, subscribe and share to all of your friends and family, and if you want to see more, just give